BK5.0 Experimental Setup Guide. Developed by Boromond. BDD Beaker Kit BK5.0 is a lab-scale kit designed to conduct trial testing toward different type of wastewater. This beaker kit comes with a shell, BDD beaker module, 1 AC power cord, a power cord, 2 DC power cords, and now, join us to explore how to operate this beaker kit. Part 1. Connecting DC power cords. Firstly, plug the DC power supply in socket, and then insert the other side of the power cord into the socket at the rear side of the beaker kit. Part 2. Prepare wastewater sample. Pour the wastewater sample into the dedicated beaker. And as you may have noticed, we adopted methylene blue solution as an example only. Place a stir bar into the beaker. Cover the beaker with the BD module and position the assembled beaker in the working area. Part 3. Supply direct current to beaker module. Like regular direct current applications, the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Connect one end of the red wire to the central terminal of the BDD module. Then connect the other end to the positive terminal in the junction box. And then connect one end of the black wire to either side terminal of the BDD module. The other end to the negative terminal in the junction box. Part 4. Power on. Turn on the main power switch on the back of the unit. Part 5. Adjust stirring. Set the magnetic stirrer to an appropriate speed to ensure uniform mixing in the beaker. Part 6. Set electric parameters. Adjust the output DC voltage and current. Usually we set the voltage to its maximum value. And adjust the current to the desired value, for example 8 amps, 10 amps. Part 7. Start electrolysis. Initialize wastewater electrolysis. Press the DC output button on the lower left section of the front panel to initialize electrolysis processes. And now allow us to introduce all the buttons and indicators on the front panel. A red button means there is no power output. A green button means there is power output. Simply press the button to turn on and off. There are 3 sections on the front panel to display different electric parameters. Red number means real-time voltage. Green number means real-time current. Blue number means real-time power consumption. Working mode indicating light. Red light means constant voltage mode. Green light means constant current mode. We need the green light on to treat water in constant current mode. Sampling collection and data analysis. Take few milliliters of water sample on regular time basis through the slot on the lid for real-time measurement of the treating target egg. COD. Parameters such as voltage, current, power, time, temperature should be recorded in the purpose of performance study and optimizations. Part 8. Shutdown sequence. Turn off the DC output button turns red. Reduce the stirrer speed to 0. Turn off the main power switch on the back. Part 9. Cleaning. Rinsing the BDD module with clean water or clean it with a soft brush right after experiment. You may need to conduct acid washing or electrolysis with a diluted acid solution if there are significant precipitate or emulsion on the electrodes.